Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share CapCut templates with friends. So if you got a favorite or a templates that you like that you want to share with your friends, here how's you going to do. So go to the templates tab first. For example, I'm going to share these templates here with my friends. So what you need to do, there are so many things. You can just click on the three dots icon, add the templates in here. So after you click on the three dots icon, you can directly share it through this social media like Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, or you can also copy the link, and after that you can open the social media and just paste the link. So I'm going to just share it, for example, to Instagram. Click on Instagram, then here I'm going to send to my friend. Click on the send button, click on done, and the template will be shared like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.